go ahead and let us talk about growth effect versus level effect. बहुत important है. My claim that in this model that we have studied till now, क्या model पढ़ा हमने? There were only two things. One, there was growth rate, growth of population, एक n factor था, and second, there was savings rate, and of course depreciation. जब हमें सिर्फ इतना मॉडल दिया हो, in this kind of model, my claim is that there is no per capita growth rate. No per capita growth rate means what? That there is no growth rate of capital per unit labor, capital per capita. Small k is not growing. Growth of small k is 0. And this is very easy to prove. देखो. What did we say? What is our small k? क्या था small k? Small k, changes in small k were written as sy plus minus n plus delta k. Right? So small k dot by k can be written as sy by k minus n plus delta. Right? Now, what is the definition of growth? How do we define growth? Growth is defined as change in any variable by the original value of the variable. So, ये वाला जो factor है, I can just call this as growth rate of k is equal to sy by k minus n plus delta. And what happens at steady state, beta? At steady state, we keep k dot equal to 0. So automatically k dot by k will be 0. So it means growth rate of small k will be 0. So my claim is that in this model, there is no growth of capital per labor, per unit labor or per capita. Small k का growth rate 0 है. ठीक है? Now, first just understand, then I will go to the notes. Then understand that we know that small y was k to the power alpha. So can I take log on both sides? Log y will be alpha log k. If I differentiate with respect to time, I will get this. So I will go ahead and I will get 1 by y dot is equal to alpha k dot by k. माने growth rate of y will be alpha growth rate of small k. But ये जो small k है, इसमें there is no growth rate. This growth rate is 0. So if this growth rate is 0, I will get growth rate of y will be alpha into 0. That means 0. So small y, that means output per unit labor, that is also not growing. There is no growth rate in that. Okay. Now, can you tell me what is small k? Small k is capital K by L. If I take log on both sides, then I can say log k is equal to log capital K minus log capital L. If I just try to differentiate on both sides, I will get 1 by k dk by dt is equal to 1 by capital K d capital K by dt minus 1 by L d capital L by dt. So I will get k dot by k is equal to capital K dot by k minus capital L dot by L. This is the growth rate of capital per capita. This is the growth rate of capital. This is the growth rate of labor. ये हमने prove कर दिया that this is 0. So this will be this. And labor is growing at the rate n. So we will get growth rate of capital K will be 0 plus n, which will be n. So just try to understand this thing. Try to make up a table here. So what we are saying that one, when labor is growing at the rate n, growth rate of labor is n, right? Then growth rate of small k, where small k is capital by labor, is 0. Growth rate of small y, output per labor, is 0. Growth rate of capital K is n, and therefore, because capital K is growing at the rate n, so capital Y will also grow at the rate n. You can also prove for Y. ऐसा ले लो, Y को ले लेना capital Y by L. So growth rate of Y will be capital Y minus capital L. Small y mein there was no growth rate. So you remember? So you can just plug 0 here. So this will be this minus GL. So growth rate of capital Y will be growth rate of labor, which will be N. So we can go ahead and say that this is happening. तो यहाँ पे हम क्या बोल रहे हैं कि इस मॉडल में कैपिटल पर यूनिट लेबर, there is no growth rate in that. Growth rate is 0. Output per unit labor, there is no growth in that. Growth rate is 0. But the capital in the economy, mane the widening process, right? The capital in the economy is growing at the rate of labor. It is growing at the rate n. And output in the economy is also growing at the rate n. But output per labor is not growing. क्योंकि आउटपुट भी एन से ग्रो कर रहा है और लेबर भी एन से ग्रो कर रहा है, तो y by l that is not growing. Output per unit labor is not growing, right? So this is what is this model about. So what we are saying that the per capita growth rate in this version is 0. That is not going ahead and growing. This is what is written here. Okay.